Tyler, we've been talking about it all night, but despite averaging a triple-double so far this season and leading the league in player efficiency rating, Russell Westbrook will not be a Western Conference starter. Now, instead, James Harden and Steph Curry will command the backcourt. Interesting thing to note here is Westbrook got the most player and media votes, so you see a couple of his opponents weighing in on Twitter. Chandler Parsons, dude averaging a triple-double and not starting in the All-Star game is wild. Jeremy Lin, if leading the league in points per game and averaging a triple-double isn't good enough, LOL, sheesh. Point guard position's no joke, that's for sure, especially in the Western Conference. Derek Carr, how is Russell Westbrook not an all-star starter? He's playing out of his mind. Sports writer Shea Serrano going Odor on anyone who thinks Russell Westbrook did not deserve to start in the All-Star game. Not SportsCenter, a preview of what Russell Westbrook's numbers will look like each night after being snubbed as an All-Star starter. Thank you, Everett, for sending in this GIF submission. We appreciate that one. Keep sending those in throughout the show. Just use the hashtag #TheRally. We want you to join the conversation. Tyler, not much more Russ could have done to get that starting position.